Welcome back. Problem 8, elementary 06. So there are many questions in this particular section, in this particular problem. So you want to evaluate the following expressions. All right. So wherever I see variables, I place parentheses. You see? So wherever you see variables, first place parentheses, then you fill in the parentheses with the values. A is 1, B is -3, C is 2, D is -4. Okay, it's important to use parentheses primarily because of the signs. Now you have multiplications, addition, subtraction. Well, multiplications take precedence, so go through all the multiplications. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3 times -3. 3 times -3 is a -9, minus 2 plus 10 times -4 is a -14. This gives us, now we open all the parentheses. Now that all the multiplications are done, open all the parentheses. 2, negative followed by negative is a positive, 9, -2, positive followed by a negative is a -40. So this gives me, go from left to right because it's addition subtractions. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Okay, let me go through steps. 2 plus 9, 11, minus 2, minus 40. So that was 2 plus 9, 11. 11 minus 2 is a 9, minus 40. 9 minus 40. So that has bigger magnitude. So you're going to have a negative of the difference, 31. Next, negative a squared plus 3b. So this is b part. Negative variable squared plus 3 variable. First create parentheses wherever you see variable. Now plug in the values. A is 1. So there's a 1 in there inside that parenthesis. B is -3. So there is a -3 inside the parenthesis. At this point, negative, exponent, addition, multiplication. Exponent takes precedence. So notice 2, the power 2 applies to the parenthesis. The negative is outside. Okay, 2 applies to the parenthesis. Basically, exponent applies to whatever it is closed to. So all right, so that's a negative 1 times 1 plus 3 times -3 is a -9. At this point, I will open this parenthesis. I have -1, positive followed by a negative is a -9. So -1 minus 9 is -10. Okay, next question. 2 parentheses, open parentheses. Now that's a squared. So parenthesis power 2 minus 2 parentheses. All right. A squared minus 2d. So any place I see variable, I plug in parentheses. I replace the variable by the parentheses. Now fill in the blanks. B is -3. So this parenthesis inside is -3. A is 1. So this quantity is a 1. D is a -4. D is a -4. All right. So notice that's a multiplication, that's a multiplication, and there is an entire big parenthesis. Parenthesis first, all right? So I leave the others as they are, right? Now go inside and simplify. Notice exponent takes precedence. 1 power 2 is 1 minus 2 parenthesis negative 4. Okay, so this gets me. Again, I have this huge parenthesis I have to take care of, 2. So I will leave everybody else as they are. Now go inside. 1 minus 2 times something. So multiplication takes precedence. 1 minus 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Okay, so that fetches me equals 2 parenthesis negative 3, 1 minus of minus 8, 1 plus 8. Okay, so 2 parenthesis negative 3 parenthesis 9. At this point you are multiplying. All right, there is one negative, so overall answer is negative. 2 times 3 is 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is a 54. Final answer, negative 54. Okay. A squared minus b squared. So something squared minus something squared, right? So A is 1 and B is negative 3. All right, that is equal to, exponents first, 1 power 2 is 1 minus negative 3 power 2. So notice that negative power 2 makes it positive and 3 power 2 is 9. So this minus is here. That minus got squared and became positive. All right. 1 minus 9. Well, 9 has bigger magnitude, so negative 8. Next question. A cubed plus b cubed, something power 3 plus something power 3. Okay, so that's something. A is 1. Oops. And b is negative 3. All right. 1 power 3 is 1 plus negative 3 power 3. Maybe it helps to write it 3 times. Negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. All right. So that is 1. You see, 1 power anything is a 1. So that's not an issue. Plus negative times negative times negative. Overall negative. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So that is 1. Positive followed by a negative is a negative 27. So notice 27 is bigger magnitude than 1. So when I subtract, I get negative 26. All right. F. Okay. 4 minus 3 times variable plus 2 times variable power 2. Okay. And the variable in both the cases, it is C. C is 2. So I go in and fill in the parenthesis. So make sure you replace every variable by parenthesis first. So now in this expression, notice exponent has to take precedence. So I will leave everyone else as they are. Exponent 2 power 2 is a 4. At this point, notice multiplications have to take precedence over everybody else. So 4 minus 6 plus 8. Now it's addition and subtraction. Go from left to right. Left to right. 4 minus 6 is negative 2 plus 8. Negative 2 plus 8 is a positive 6. Next. Negative 2 a squared plus 6a minus 4. All right, minus 4. Okay, so when I see parenthesis, I plug in for the variable. A is 1. So I'm going to substitute 1 here and 1 here inside. Now, exponents take precedence. 1 to the power anything is 1. So it's a negative 2 times 1 plus 6 times 1 minus 4. Now multiplication takes precedence, but I'm simply multiplying by 1. Okay, so it's a negative 2 plus 6 minus 4. If you notice, negative 2 plus 6 is 4 minus 4. That is a 0. Okay, next.